One of the out-of-control trains has started to speed up. It's getting close to ramming the train in front of it. This is bad, Ty. At this rate, the trains will collide at any moment. It's going to become a major accident.
Major accident.
That's not gonna do anything. It's just a little tickle.
Agumon!
He's trying.
I need a cheeseburger.
Yeah, I like that they show they can power up by like believing in each other.
Yeah, like whatever their crest is, I guess.
Happening to Agumon too?
Ooh, it's happening.